guys, Ishwan back with another, I guess this one's an unbagging instead of an unboxing. But a little bit ago I did the unboxing on these, but you guys didn't see the video because it was made to be in conjunction with this one. I've already worn these a little bit, dirty bottoms, shame on me. But I got the LeBron, the flight color, and those are real. Got these from StockX, and then I ordered a fake set. And I just wanted to see how good a fake set for these would be, and just see how they compared to the real ones. So I'm going to cut into the bag. Let me get these open. I forgot the color that I got these in because I ordered them a month ago. So just know that, like, it's really tough waiting on things that long. We kind of got them in the black and white color. Alright. Layers of bags. No way these have Nike logos. Alright. So these are in size 11. I'm a 10.5, which is the size that I got these in. I got these in size 11 because they had 10 or 11. They did not have half sizes. I got them from the Geek app, which is basically Wish. Some people are telling me DHgate, but I know the Geek or Wish or whatever has been good about giving your money back if the quality is trash. And then they don't really have you ship it back either because it's not worth it. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, first off, these smell like spray paint. Like, bad like spray paint. Ugh, it's just like a whiff out of the bag. Did that just stick to the bag? Alright. Ooh. It's strong. You got Nike on the inside of the bag. I don't know. Fake branding. Straight out of the thing, I noticed these are like, there's like plastic wrapped around the foam posit, so it's just it's just like a sticker on some beads under the foam. Like, it's not like heat treated like this one. Like this one, you can feel that it's hard, like it was heat treated, and this one is very smooth, and it's just a sticker. So I am not sure about the actual color of these ones. I know these are out, but it has a lion and then I'm King on the tongue. The tongue does not actually feel bad. I actually think I like the tongue on, well, I guess I would like the tongue on the real ones better than the tongue on these ones. I like the design, but the way that feels on your foot when you're walking around and stuff, because I've walked around in these like 3 days now. The shoe's very comfy, but that tongue sometimes, and then when you're wearing it, it folds this up like that, and it just, sometimes I don't think it looks right, but, oh wow. So I don't know if you can see, but there's like a whole paragraph on the inside by Theodore Roosevelt. You guys probably won't be able to see it, but it goes to the midfoot at least. I don't know if that's in the real ones. Probably would have helped if I got the same color, but they had a bunch of colors that don't exist. And then they had the Lakers color, the black with the purple and gold, and they had this color. They didn't have these ones, otherwise I would have got them. So I got one that actually exists. You guys can check and see. This is still soft, pretty soft, just like the orange on here, that middle part, and the air bubble. Air bubble is a little bit too squishy. Like, I can squish it with my hand really easy. And on these ones, you can't really, like, I don't know if you see that, but on these ones, you got my hand on the air bubble. Like, I can collapse, like, the whole thing. So, I guess that's just quality control. It is very fat in the toe section, and this is like, maybe that's just from them being shipped. It's kind of creased, but you can see like how bulky these ones are versus how like sleek this one looks. Like, this one's very designed, it says 10.5, and this one's just like kind of like a low quality image. I'm not really sure. I don't think anybody would be able to tell from a distance that you're not wearing real ones. Especially since, it's LeBron's. It's not like a Jordan. Like, you're not going to be like, so you're not going to be clowned for it. It says knit posit right here, the little tag on the inside of the shoe. Whereas on this one, it says, it does say the knit posit as well. It's just shiny. So that's just a difference in colorway. It may be like that on the real one. I don't know if the tongue is supposed to be some sort of leather, but this is definitely not the best kind of leather. The inside is soft though, so you're still getting a soft interior. Like, it's padded all the way around the ankle. It's still padded. These little flaps still fold how I'm assuming they should, but yeah, it's not that bad. 1 second. It has the Nike spec on the bubble right there on the inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that same spec sheet is on the other ones as well. So maybe they're onto something. But anyways, so these aren't terrible fakes. I think maybe if I wore them for a bit and got the shape back to normal, so I'm assuming maybe they got set under some stuff when they're getting shipped from China and like it creased it one way. But I'm really seeing some similarities. I mean, it's very hard. I bet you if they were like in the shape of these ones, if they weren't creased, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference, hardly. So yeah, I'll go ahead and throw up some pictures of some of the key panels side by side, so that you guys can look and compare. These cost me about $73 on Geek, and these cost me, well, I got them for retail, so these cost me $200 plus shipping, which is $15. So it really depends on what you want. I mean, if you're getting these for walk around, like I got these for walk around, then you might not matter. Like, you might not care, as long as it's comfy and as long as you get that kind of look, like that air boot look from the LeBron. Anyways, I'm gonna throw out those pictures. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, maybe subscribe if you liked the video, if I helped you. Peace. Hey guys, just wanted to point something out real quick. Here on the real pair, I know you guys can see up there the zoom unit. So when you squeeze, you can see the little tinsels, they expand. That's what zoom does. But here on the fake pair, I mean, you should have expected it. I don't know if you can see in there. It's just shiny plastic looking bulbs. You can squeeze as much as you want and the pod doesn't move. So it's just made to emulate there being zoom in there. So like, I'm squishing down the middle more than it's squishing the actual thing. But on here, if I press in the middle, you can see the zoom works. So I just wanted to let you know that too. These definitely, I mean, you should have expected that with fakes that are less than half the price, but in case you were wondering, in case you had hope, sorry to crush it.